All right, we're gonna videotape these valves. This is in our old stock 350. And this cylinder head is a real bone stock, late model, shitty cylinder head. I don't know anything about numbers, but I think it's a 305 head. Some of you guys can tell me what they are, but here's what we got for information on them. Okay, these are tiny, tiny little valves. I'm gonna go around it here and show you. It actually has a 178 intake valve and a 150 exhaust. My friend Ed Vickroy did a little cleanup inside the ports on these heads when he did a valve job for us a long, long time ago. But the guides were junk. My brother didn't want to put any money into the heads. So he knurled them, but they wore right out. They got loose again. So I'm gonna show you how loose this valve is right here. Now these heads were on a 350 mid-80s junk low compression used truck motor, and we stuck a cheater cam in it with 4-barrel carb headers and 391 gears in a 70 Nova. I want you to see this. I'm filming right now, Ed. But this valve is walking that bad. That's how loose the guide is. I'm sure you can see that. Absolutely sickening. And when we took it apart, it had broken rings in it also and a couple holes. So 30 pounds of air pressure in the cylinder was just ridiculous compression. And 1294 at 107 miles an hour in that Nova with a bone stock torque converter. 229 60 foot-times. Absolutely miserable out of the hole. So, just wanting people to see these, see how, literally how junk these heads were, how small of ports they are. Everything's tiny, but that cheater cam made it scream. 1290s for a bone stock junk 350 that was a kick-ass thing. It actually ran as fast as a 454 brand new Chevelle back in 1970. Pretty amazing.